Hi everybody, so I am in the midst of packing right now. Things are a little crazy. This is a bag with like some of my food, I think. Let's see what kind of stuff is in here. I got some chickpeas, like sesame nut mix, a ton of my Bounce bars. Some last minute food that has been added. I'm taking some hickory sticks, which are somewhere over there. I'm taking the brand, like, I don't know if you guys know about Laura bars, but they come in bite-sized form now, so I'm taking the chocolate mint flavor. I'm also taking macaroons with me on the plane for like a dessert, because if you tell Lufthansa, which is the airline I'm flying with, that you're a vegetarian, they give you vegan food. And I love vegan food. Like, I have nothing against it. It's just the vegan food they give on planes is disgusting. So, yeah. And then this is my shower bag. So I have my charity pot. I got Fairly Traded honey for my shampoo. Charity pot is my moisturizer. American Cream is my conditioner, and Happy Hippie is my shower gel. All from Lush, cruelty free. Yeah. I'm also taking stevia with me to like sweeten my tea because I'm diabetic and I can't eat sugar. I'm also taking tea from David's tea, or I don't know if it's from David's tea, but my mom got me my favorite type of tea, cream of Earl Grey, in tea bag form because we only had it in loose leaf tea. I got a ton of wipes because, like, I'm taking so many different wipes. Like, I'm taking these individual ones. I'm taking this pack in my purse, just because I find wipes more hygienic to clean oneself instead of like toilet paper. I got a giant package like here to use in like the hotel. I got some ones from Burt's Bees, which are for like my face. I got so many bags, like most of which I'm not even taking with me, but they're just out for the sake of it. I also had like another package of wipes that were in a box and they were connected together. I think like one is supposed to be used for like cleaning your hands, and another one is used for cleaning like surfaces. But I'm also taking hand sanitizer with me. It's from Bath and Body Works, which this is my new bag I got for the airport. I'm actually taking 4 bags. So this is my suitcase. It's purple. That's my carry-on bag. This is the bag I'm gonna use in the airport. And then I'm gonna take an army green backpack in this suitcase, and that is what I'll be using in Europe. I do have a different bag just because in the airport I can't use a backpack, because on a plane you're allowed to carry on and a personal item, and my backpack supersedes the personal item. So I can bring my backpack as a carry-on, but then I can't then bring this, and my backpack isn't big enough to fit stuff in. But then this purse isn't big enough to bring with me to Europe, because I can't fit like a water bottle and an extra change of clothes and stuff. Yeah. So some of the stuff I'm bringing, I'm going to be bringing my senior tour uniform, which is a burgundy dress, and that will be going in here. These are like my dress pants. I'm taking this nice sweater. One of the nights we're going to a restaurant, so I'm probably going to wear these together. This is a hoodie I'm bringing. I'm bringing like a couple things. I'll probably do an OOTD, but I'm going to be bringing my tour hoodie, of course. Lots of leggings. I have this rose gold sweater. I'm bringing an orange pullover. A couple t-shirts. Like I'm gonna bring a burgundy one, a plain army green one. Those are at the bottom, so I don't want to find them. I'm gonna be bringing like a black t-shirt that says rock and roll on it. These are like a pair of the leggings I want to bring. That's a bra. I have some underwear at the bottom, t-shirt. Again, bras. This is going to be going in my carry-on as a spare, like, shirt, because it's good to have spares in case you lose your suitcase, which actually did happen to someone I know. I'm bringing a black sweater with it's a cropped sweater, but I'm bringing it to layer, and it has roses on the sleeves. This is a gray sweater that has roses on the sleeves. This is a burgundy hoodie that says something. This I'll probably be wearing on the plane, just because it's good to wear your thicker things on the plane. I'm gonna wear probably, actually, my leggings I'm gonna wear on the plane with some rose gold, like pink shoes with rose gold detailing. For the most part, I think this will be all I'm bringing for clothes. I might add a couple leggings. I'm gonna bring a burgundy pair and an army green pair, and maybe another black pair. I don't know, a lot of clothes. Like, I want to be a minimalist on this trip, but my mom wants me to bring a lot of stuff, so these will probably be worn on the plane, but I'm gonna just have them on top. These are the socks I'm going to be packing in this bag, because like your feet get swollen, so yeah. I'm bringing some argan oil. It's in here somewhere. My Burt's Bees. Of course, I'm going to be taking deodorant with me as well. Portable charger. I'm gonna bring a bag with like cords in it. Bandages, a first aid kit. Here I have this bag, and this is gonna have all my technology stuff, my cords. I have this really cool thing for my headphones. So one goes in the mesh pocket here, and there's little flap so I can put one in here. I got a rose gold charger to match my rose gold phone. I also have a rose gold water bottle. I'm gonna bring rose gold shoes, like, so for shoes, I'm gonna bring high heels, black heels. I'm gonna bring these black flats for my casual wear. I'm gonna bring some black Skechers for my walking shoes, and my pink shoes. This is gonna be all the bag of medications. I'm gonna be like a walking pharmacy. Just prescription stuff, but also like allergy and painkiller. I packed all of my brushes, and they are in this. My tin is in there. I got some. Oh, and my adapter is also in that technology bag. I got some. Okay, so like 20 minutes later or whatever. I got some Q-tips here somewhere. Wow. I got my gloves. I picked out a scarf. Here are my Q-tips. I got cotton pads in here. I also have this bottle I can transfer my micellar water in, so I don't take a giant honking bag. These are the other wipes I was talking about earlier. These are moisturizing. They're better for cleaning hands, whereas these are like antibacterial, so they're surface cleaning. I got like a couple, like, I'm gonna take some stevia on the plane. A Bounce bar, some almonds. These are my jet lag pills. These are like, is this money or is this, okay, I have like money, and basically I have this thing, what am I trying to say? Okay, so I have my passport, and my passport is in a passport holder, and that will be in my purse. But when I actually get to Europe, I'm going to transfer my passport into this thing, which has a little pocket. Yeah, my passport is actually in there right now. And the currencies that I'm not going to use, there's 2 zipper pockets, so I can just put them in here, and then I'm going to have like an actual wallet that I'll be using, and that will have like the currency for the current country, and then the other 2 that I don't need, I'll have in there. Yeah, and then tissues. Yeah, I don't know. I probably won't be taking any jewelry. Here is my winter jacket I'm taking. Here is a cardigan. This is actually the dress I'm taking on the trip, not the other one. I'm also taking this paper, which has translations of some commonly used expressions that I might need. These are my wash cards, so I'll take one out and show you. So I just would break off a piece of this, and it's really cool. Anyway, that's everything I'll be taking. I might do videos there, I don't know. This is like a rough overview of everything. And yeah, so I have this bag, which has my necessities, hairbrush. I'm going to be bringing hair ties, hair elastics. I even have this really cool thing to wear. Basically, it's like a head wrap, and it has like pearls in it, and it's knit, so it'll keep my head warm. It's one of those things that's cute and practical. Oh yeah, I don't know what to do with these pack of sponges, because that won't fit anywhere. Necessities, yeah, I think, yeah, that I basically showed you guys everything that I'm going to be packing, and I just haven't shown you where everything is going, but I will figure it out. So oh, and I've decided to put my oregano oil with my medications and not my beauty stuff. I have Kleenex. I had a giant pack of Kleenex up there somewhere. I need to find my other pair of headphones. For technology, I'm going to bring my phone, my iPod. I might bring some knitting, not like knitting needles, but like my knitting loom. I might bring some cards, and yeah. And I hope you guys enjoyed this ridiculous video. This video I started filming at like 5, and now it's 8. So you have step-by-step seen me progressively getting more done, I guess. Yeah. Anyway, please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye!